Keep it simple.
Hey everyone, welcome to Keep It Simple, the semi-regular podcast on startups and how to use the internet to promote your small business. My name is Withers Davis.
Reed Sonnenberg.
And we're coming at you live today from, not live, semi-live from Buenos Aires, Argentina. Unfortunately, it's rainy and crappy outside, so we're inside. It's not always tropical paradise down here.
Not ideal, but we're here.
That's okay, we're still here for you. Today's episode is going to be on how to build a website for under 50 bucks. It's a topic that I think is really important for a lot of small businesses, a lot of startups, is how to really kind of keep your costs down and increase your speed and how to still use the internet to do that. So we're going to talk about 3 websites today that enable you to build a simple, quick website to get yourself off the ground. Okay? First one we're going to talk about is Squarespace. What's it called? Squarespace.com. What Squarespace enables you to do is to create a pretty customizable website very simply. It costs $8 a day. They do all the hosting for you. You don't need a hosting. You can drag and drop columns, add buttons, add text, add fields, add headlines, very easily without having to do any coding. It's awesome. It just came out about a year ago.
I have to ask though, for $50, it's possible to make a website with Squarespace that does not look very templatey,
It looks a little bit templatey. It's not going to look completely custom with all the slick bells and wiggle, with jQuery or Flash or whatever, But what it is going to do is going to enable you to get the information out there, to engage your customers, and to really kind of get your web presence out there quickly. So I think and it does enable you to change colors and layout, whatever. So it does that pretty good. Okay, number 2, especially this is more for blogs, but highly recommend blogs as a great way to promote yourself is WordPress.com. There's 2 different versions of WordPress, WordPress.org and WordPress.com. WordPress.com is hosted, so you don't have to deal with the hosting. You don't have to have your own server somewhere.
So they do everything for you,
Yep.
all the hosting for you, just ready to roll.
They do the hosting for you, and then you can choose between a number of templates, and some of them are user-generated, some from the WordPress community. It's just a great way to quickly get your blog up. It's great. Number 3rd website I want to talk about is Shopify.com. Shopify.com enables you to do an e-commerce store. Again, we built one a couple weeks ago in about a day, I think. I've seen plenty of people throughout the internet have built websites using Shopify for, I think it's Shopify maybe $20 a month, I think it is.
Me not being a programmer, I can link Shopify to my website. I could use Shopify.
Yes, absolutely. And you can do payment integration, payment collection, invoicing, all these things that you need to do for your website, all through Shopify. It's great. Check it out. I guess that's it for today. Quick 3 hitters again. Squarespace.com, great for just custom websites. WordPress.com, great for building a blog, and Shopify.com, great for building an e-commerce store. To wrap things up, today's book of the day, something I just finished, highly recommend it. It's a book called Worldwide Rave by an author called David Meerman Scott, and it talks about how to build great content that engages your customers, that makes them come to you instead of you having to come to them through commercials and advertisements. Great, really highly recommend it. So anyway, thanks everyone. We'll see you soon. Ciao.